Guys, I figured I'd send you a little tutorial on how to put the top up and down. Your first step is going to be to pull the whole top up. This is easier with two people, but one person can do it. Grab a hold of the metal bar and lift the whole entire structure up. Once you have it here, you're gonna lock these little arms by pushing them out. So do this side. And now I'm going to do this side. Your next step is going to be pulling the front of the top forward, like so. And you remember these little arms, you're going to need to pull them out. So pull them out until they lock. Okay. Then you have this little piece that you need to pull down and lock into place. And then you will tighten it like so. I'm going to repeat this on the other side. After you tighten them by spinning them clockwise, you're ready to attach the front. This is relatively simple. Make sure this hook is below the latch. You may have to adjust the top to the side to make sure this little pin here goes right in the hole. Now I'll repeat this on the other side. I'll make sure the hole's lined up. The hook is below. Once the hook is below, I'll push down on this lever. As long as my pin's lined up, it'll click into place. The last step will be to close this window. Relatively simple. Again, this is sometimes easier with two people. You're going to lift the window and put these little knobs in and then twist them to fasten. You'll notice once I was done fastening the buttons, I just pulled up the zipper on either side, and that is it. The top is up. You'll notice some wrinkles on the side. That's just from the top being down. The longer it sits up and stretches it tight, they will disappear. If you want to put the top down, you just repeat that process, but in reverse.